Hello, I'm the digital AI version of Jeff Meyer, here to showcase how we at the Landmark Group are always at the forefront of emerging technologies in real estate. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do. Let's hear what they have to say about their experiences with us.
Debbie and Jeff Meyer handled the sale of our home in Flagler Beach. They were tremendous during the whole process. Our home was on the market for less than 90 days when Debbie brought us a buyer. They are very professional and knowledgeable. They use excellent marketing techniques, and I would highly recommend them to anyone wanting to sell or buy a home.
In terms of our marketing strategies, we leverage Compass's advanced digital advertising tools, using AI-driven strategies to reach potential buyers on social media and beyond. Using AI, we analyze market trends and client preferences to provide hyper-specific marketing campaigns, individually tailored to reach all prospective buyers. Our approach is data-driven, ensuring precision and efficiency. We showcase each property in its full glory with professional photos, immersive video tours, and detailed 3D virtual walkthroughs, making sure that every feature is highlighted. Listing your property with the Landmark Group connects you to Compass's vast global network, guaranteeing unparalleled exposure. Our nationwide network of top agents ensures your property reaches a broad audience and provides access to the best agents in any area you choose to move. For 3 years in a row, Compass has been the #1 brokerage in the United States. This is our commitment to excellence and innovation in every deal we handle. Choosing us means partnering with the very best in the industry, a responsibility we embrace wholeheartedly every single day. Northeast Florida isn't just a location, it's a place we call home. Through Flagler Beach TV on Facebook, we actively engage and celebrate our community, offering a glimpse into the vibrant life here. At the Landmark Group, our team is committed to providing exceptional real estate services. I may be virtual, but our dedication to you is very real. The future of real estate is here, and with the help of Compass, we're leading the way. I'm the digital AI version of Jeff Meyer. For all your real estate needs, reach out to us at the Landmark Group at Compass. We're ready to assist you today.